Hi, my name is Ella Cressman with Ella Cress Skincare. I've been a licensed esthetician for over 10 years and I am an ASCP member. I'm here today to show you some really cool tricks in the treatment room. So let's get started. One of the client's favorite parts of the treatment is the massage. So in today's treatment room tips, we're going to be talking about the traps and massage techniques to really help the client settle into their treatment. The trapezius muscles, or traps, are one of the largest muscle groups on your neck and back. They stretch from the occipital bone all the way down to thoracic spine and then across to your scapula. The main function is to elevate and stabilize the arm. So when you think about this muscle in everyday use, we're using it when we're driving, we're using it when we're typing at work, we're using it as estheticians all day. What we're not doing is really releasing those muscles. So today we're going to go over some techniques to really work those out. Things that you will need is a massage medium. Whether you prefer oil or cream is up to you. Usually for the chin down, I prefer an oil, and for the chin up, I prefer a cream. You can also use gloves if you're more comfortable or if that's in your scope, however you need to do that. I prefer a bare hand because I can feel the muscles that way. So some considerations that you want to think about is gentle over bone and a little more pressure in the meaty muscles. So what we do is we start out by adding just a little bit of our medium to our hands and applying that all over. This is a great way to kind of feel your client out and gauge their reactions. Now I see I need a little bit more for the back. I like to think of massage movements in sounds. So we do swipe, crunch, wipe, things like that. So you're going to begin by just kind of dragging 2 fingers across the collarbone, around the shoulder blade, and then just really starting to dig into the traps here. You'll have a flat fingertips across the collarbone while you're working in a circular motion. You're moving the thumbs in a little triangular pattern. This is beginning to soften those muscles and engage in the relaxation. The next step, we do the same swipe over around the shoulder, and with our knuckles, we dig and pull up. Dig and drag. This doesn't sound that great when you're thinking of a massage, but it feels amazing, right?
Yes.
Good. Next step, we're going to shimmy. It's not just for the dance floor, it's also in massage moves. What we're going to do is we're going to slide one hand underneath the client, gently lift up, slide the next hand under, and so on. Shimmy movement is a friction. So we shimmy, move up, right along the spine, then we pull up with our fingertips all the way to the occipital bone. Just going to go like this, and then this. Really getting that entire length of the muscle and feeling that stretch. Next, you always do want to check into, you should have probably gone over this in your consultation, but just make sure your client doesn't have any head or neck issues. Do you have any head or neck issues?
No.
Good. So there's 2 ways to get to the next movement. You've shimmied up, you're holding here. If the client needs a little extra stability, you can just gently turn the head while you're holding underneath with your hands. It looks like this. Another way too is to gently turn the head and then hold the chin like that, whichever you prefer. She's a little tight today. She did a lot of driving over the weekend, so we're going to hold her this way. Now you take the palm of your hand, gently press down, around, and then you're going to use your knuckles in a nice little rotary grinder kind of way, really tenderizing the muscle here. How's that feel?
Really good.
Pressure okay?
Mm-hmm.
You repeat about 3 times. 3 times is the golden rule, but you're really kind of gauging as what the client needs a little extra. You can pull up this way. When you get to this side right here on the neck, right below the ear, that part feels amazing. Gently twist to the other side, repeat. Again, about 3 times. This time, you'll see the client soften. Really begins the true relaxation process. because we're no longer poking, pinching, extracting, scrubbing. We're just relaxing at this point. You can dig in this way. Finish off with some more. And then find your fingers, let them meet in the back. You're watching the clients rise and fall of their chest with their breath as they breathe in. You're watching, and as they breathe out, you're just going to give a gentle tug. Hold until they breathe out again. You can also direct them. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. And pulling for the entire breath out. Repeat it 3 times. Last one. And then a gentle feather off. And that is my favorite way to untrap the traps. I'm looking forward to hearing some of your massage techniques as well.